One-star Google reviews are insane. Have you ever had an experience that bad to leave a one-star review? Look at this one. Jody says, "Smells." Whoa, Jody. Smells like what? Look, we know these reviews can't all be true, right? And now that JoAnn Fabrics is closed, we turn to mom and pop independent stores for our fabrics and trims. So, a little while back, I collected the craziest one-star reviews from sewing shops and put them to the test. My only challenge is that I have to identify at least one 5-star trait that each of these stores has. Let's go undercover. I'm visiting 4 stores for this video. Well, actually 5, but I'll explain that later. The first stop received this glowing 1-star review from Red. Employee would not allow us access because we didn't have an appointment, even after explaining that we lived 100 miles away. Too many quilt shops to be treated suchly. Whoa, Red is pulling out the suchly, guys. Let's see if they let us in without an appointment. Well, I got in just fine. Their selection of fabrics is so beautiful.
No, I sometimes, that's why I keep it over here.
This one's my favorite. I'm giving 5 stars for the sweet worker who cut my purchase and rang me up. As you can see, I'm keeping the employees' names, faces, and the store names private because I think that's the nice thing to do. If they decide they would like to be named, they can email me and I'll add their store name in the pinned comment. I'd love to support them. Well, except for the one. The second stop in our investigation clocked their 1-star review from Tony. She claims, "The service was terrible. As my elderly mother waited patiently for assistance, rather than treating her with courtesy and respect, the staff rudely asked, 'Do you want something?' Well, the answer is simple. Everyone should want to not support this business." Well, let's see how rude they really are. Look, this is like poodle fur. Oh, that's so soft. It feels like smoky, Daddy. Look. Look at all their trims. So you said I go straight down. Oh, you've got all the Gutermann colors. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so I go straight down and hang a left at this rabbit curtain?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Wow, those people are actually so nice. They were willing to chat and help. 5-star review for having gorgeous upholstery fabrics and decor. Our third place of 1-star disgrace has a lot of bad reviews. Like a lot. Like the most bad reviews of any of the stores that I went to for this video. Black Pearl accused a worker of being snippy, which made me laugh because of the pun. Get it? She was cutting her fabric and she was snippy. Get it? Well, let's go inside and see if we get snipped. Such a good selection. Size 14. Jersey Ballroom. I was honestly a little nervous that I wouldn't be able to come up with something nice to say, but oh my goodness, I was proven wrong. Every worker there, I'm not exaggerating, every single worker there was kind, knowledgeable, and attentive. They even have a bridal section. I was so excited about that. I even bought some things from them, and I signed up for their text alerts for sales. I will absolutely be back, even though they're over 4 hours away from me. This was honestly the most impressive of the shops that I visited. 5 stars for huge selection, nice workers, and modern, active communication about sales. Next stop on our 1-star express, according to Di, may or may not be open. She says, "When are they open?" "Closed?" "Today I got there at 2:30. Lights on, locked up. 3rd attempt. I'd like to see the long arm machine." Di not only likes 1-star reviews, but she also likes really short sentences. Before I show you how this shop turned out, let me offer something to you from me for free. Do you feel like with a little bit of help from the internet, you could look up pretty much any style hem and follow a video to recreate that hem? Sure you could. The only problem is, what is that hem called? Well, that's where this comes in. I'd love to give you a free hems identification guide. It's colorful, beautiful, and has photos of many different types of hems with their names so you can look them up. Go to bridalsewing.com or click the link in the pinned comment for your free guide. Now, let's get back to Di. Di, this place was open, and I found some really pretty fabric there, actually. One of the bad reviews about this place claims that they act like cutting fabric is a big deal. So I tested that. I actually love this fabric. My conclusion? They were happy to cut. But honestly, I felt like the younger worker is almost bullied by the older one that was there. That made me feel uncomfortable to watch. The older worker was quite rude to her. "Girl, why do you work there with that woman? It's not worth it." Well, in spite of that, remember my challenge is I've got to find a reason to give 5 stars to each of these stores. So 5 stars for pretty fabric and in-person sewing lessons. Finally, let me spill the tea on the 5th store I went into. Basically, that one failed the challenge. Every 1-star review that I read about them was actually what I experienced. It was so bad. Let me know how things are going for you without having a JoAnn's. Have you found a favorite local spot?